The guidelines are divided into 3 chapters. The first gives an overview of who and what digital products and services are covered by the Disability Discrimination Act and how the Act fits in to the regulatory context of disability in Australia. There is advice on good practice and keeping up with the law. Topics covered include an overview of the law, what it covers and who it applies to, what is meant by digital goods and services, advice on meeting the requirements of the law and delivering equal access, good practice including universal design, and also some comments on the fast changing technology and the implications of those changes for people with disability. The second chapter goes into more detail about those techniques for achieving equal access when providing goods and services in a digital form. Topics in this chapter include a discussion about the business benefits, implementing a strategic approach to providing equal access, the importance of seeking expert advice from people with disability themselves, incorporating digital accessibility into the product development cycle, right from the start, not as an afterthought, and incorporating digital accessibility into the procurement process when organizations are going out for new equipment, new software, etc. Digital accessibility and risk management was also covered in this chapter. The third chapter provides a handy reference for the various standards and guidelines which underpin this edition of the guidelines. Topics here included the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, authoring and plain language guidelines, standards covering product and service design, including hardware, software, and content management, Australian government standards and policies, both at Commonwealth and state level, and industry standards produced by the private sector business groups to assist their member organizations to provide services accessibly. There are also references which provide further reading and suggestions that people can go and learn more from.